When you need ground transportation to the airport, an executive meeting, night on the town, or a sporting event, nothing can book it faster than the Premier Limo app. Premier Limousine has been providing ground transportation in New England and over 400 cities nationwide for over 30 years. This app enables you to reserve a sedan, limo, van, party bus, or bus with just a few taps. This app also allows you to know where your vehicle is at all times, as well as driver contact information. To get started, download the free app from iTunes or Google Play for your iOS or Android device. Once you've opened the app, tap the New Customer button and enter your information and the username and password you'd like to use. Then tap the Register button. After clicking on the link in the confirmation email you'll receive, you're ready to use the app. As a seasoned user of the app, we're going to make a reservation for a luxury sedan to pick us up at our office and bring us to Kennedy Airport. Let's tap the Get Rates button to begin. First, we'll choose the pickup location. Since we're currently at the office, we'll tap the Use My Current Location button. This address will appear on the next screen. We've entered a description and can save it into our history if we wish. Then tap the Next button. From here, tap the Drop-Off Location button. Since we're going to Kennedy Airport, we'll tap the Drop Me Off at an Airport button. On this screen, we'll tap the airport name or code field and begin typing the information. When the airport name we want shows up in the list, we'll select it. Then we'll tap the Next button, which will bring us to the Get Rates screen. Tap the Get Rates button and the rates will fill in. Then we'll simply tap the Book button next to the vehicle of our choice, in this case, the luxury sedan. This brings us to the Trip Summary screen. From here, we'll enter the passenger information. We can enter new passenger info here or select one from our history. We'll tap the Next button when we're done to return to the Trip Summary screen. From here, we'll select the payment type. We can enter a new card information here, select our default card, or select one from our payment history. Tapping the Next button brings us back to the Trip Summary. Now let's add the time and date for the pickup. We'll tap that button and use the wheels to spin to the date and time we want. Finally, we'll put in some reservation instructions by tapping that button. We'll let the driver know to pick us up at the front entrance. Okay, we're ready to complete our reservation. Tapping the Continue button takes us to the order confirmation screen. Once we've read it over, we'll tap the button to indicate that we agree to the terms, and we'll tap the Submit Order button. Now, all we need to do is wait for our luxury sedan to arrive. Let's see some of the other features available from the main menu. To look over trips you've taken in the past, tap the My Trips button. Selecting a specific trip allows you to review the details, including that great driver who made your trip such a delightful experience. Tapping the View Receipts button allows you to look over past payments and all the details. You can even have a receipt emailed to you. By tapping the Preferences button, you can change any of your personal information, set up booking preferences, or modify your notifications. So, when you want to book that ground transportation, remember, there is an app for that. Look for the Premier Limo app by Livery Coach Solutions on iTunes or Google Play and download it today. If you have any questions, contact Premier Limousine at 866-885-5466 or go to their website at www.premierlimo.net.